Hi, my name is Stuart Shim. I'm the unpaid spokesperson for Beaver Plastics. This morning I'm going to talk a little bit about one of our latest products, what is a expanded polystyrene. I'll refer to it as EPS from the rest of today's presentation, Hive. It's a molded product, and what it brings to a beekeeper is superior thermal characteristics. We've now coupled it with something called a RFID, or radio frequency identification tag. So now you have not only superior thermal characteristics, but also a way of permanently identifying products that contain the RFID tag. So let me basically just show you what an RFID tag is. It looks like this. We've actually embedded it inside this hive. And this hive is a full-size 9 5/8 inch brood box, standard inside dimensions. What I'd like to do now is basically just show you how it works. This is a mobile reader. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to read the tags that are on this table as well as inside the box. That noise that you hear is the sound of the reader actually reading the tags. And this is what it looks like. There's one tag embedded in the box, and there's 3 on the table, so we're reading all of them. And for those keen-eyed observers, you notice I have a full-size frame here. You can also take a tag and put it on the frame itself or on the inside, and now we have identification at both the brood box level and also the frame level. And all of these boxes come with the RFID tag already embedded. That's a standard feature for us now. In the future, we're going to another level, and that is an RFID tag that can also sense temperature, since everybody knows that it's very important for a brood chamber to be at a proper temperature in order to have healthy brood. So now we'll be able to do that. The reading distance on this RFID system is between 14 and 16 feet. So what does that mean? That means that you could drive by in a truck with a mobile reader and read the temperature of all your boxes, as well as identify them. And then in the future, there are companies working on drone-mounted RFID readers. And that would be great, because then you just fly over your boxes and be able to find out if there are any empty boxes and what their ID numbers are. This basically concludes my presentation. For additional information, please go to our website, which is www.bpgrower.com. So that's B as in boy, P as in Paul, grower.com. Thank you very much for watching today.